How big is the universe? What's happening at the far edge of the universe? This video will give you the answer. Now we're about to embark on one journey from Earth to the far reaches of the solar system. And then comes the Milky Way. Pass through giant superclusters of galaxies. Finally reach the edge of the universe, taking you to discover the ultimate mystery of the edge of the universe. Our first stop on this journey is the Moon. The Moon was also discovered in early 1969. Apollo astronaut Neil Armstrong was on the Moon's surface, leaving the first human footprints. Then comes Venus. Venus's atmosphere contains 96% carbon dioxide. Causes extreme greenhouse effect. Its surface temperature can reach a terrifying 460 degrees Celsius. Sometimes you look southwest at night. You will see a very bright star. It's basically Venus, and is the brightest planet when viewed from Earth at night. It is also the closest place to the Sun. The reason the Sun emits light and heat like a fireball. So the fusion reaction always takes place inside. However, nuclear fuel will eventually run out. At that time, the Sun was about to fade. Earth is the third planet closest to the Sun. Average distance between Earth and Sun falls in approx. 150 million kilometers. At this distance, sunlight takes 8 minutes to spread to reach the Earth's surface. Mars is a desert planet. Even though the Earth is full of mountains and a history of harsh battles. But Mars also happens to be in a ring. There is still an environment similar to Earth. So, it has also become an important research subject in many countries. After passing through the asteroid belt, there is Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant planet. No solid surface. This large oval red spot. It was a very large anticyclonic storm. Its coverage is enormous. It can accommodate up to 2 to 3 Earths. Then comes Saturn. Have you seen these countless small stones? This is the material that makes up Saturn's rings. And in July 2013, spaceship Cassini of NASA took a special photo of Earth. From close distance 1.45 billion km. This little blue dot is our Earth. The outer regions of the solar system are Uranus and Neptune. These 2 planets are twin planets. Also belongs to the icy planets, because methane gas exists in the atmosphere, thus giving them their unique color. In this way, the 8 planets are all centered on the Sun. Form the ladder system of the solar system. As we continue to move towards the edge of the universe, we'll explore the entire solar system. That's just a small bright spot. Every little bright spot here. They are all stars like the Sun. Each one lasts. A star has planets orbiting it. Let's look further. There are more than 200 billion stars here. Each star radiates sparkling light, and together they form a giant galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is a larger celestial system. Its diameter is about 100,000 light-years long. Earth is located in a relatively peripheral area. Every time night falls, this Milky White galaxy stretches across the sky. In fact, it is part of the cliff of the Milky Way. As we continue outward to 0.5 million light-years, to the Andromeda Galaxy. This is the closest large galaxy to the Milky Way. Inside it is not only their one, which is hundreds of billions of stars. But despite this enormity, Andromeda still has one certain fragility in the universe. It is also part of the local galactic group. This small group includes about 50 galaxies. This is our local group of galaxies. But look further. Main group of star systems. There's also Virgo, a small part of the largest supercluster of galaxies. These are 100 galaxies, cluster groups and larger groups of galaxies. Each point of light is a giant star, including our Milky Way galaxy. This is also a bright spot. But despite this, compared to the wider universe, even the Virgo supercluster is just the tip of the iceberg. Now we speed toward the edge of the universe. Almost all I saw along the way were galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. So the total number of stars in the universe, perhaps more than the amount of sand the Earth has, and much more. And because the distance is so great and the speed of light is limited, the sunlight you saw was 8 minutes ago. Andromeda Galaxy as you see it, more than 2.5 million years ago. Therefore, you just need to go far enough into space. Could what we see be the beginning of the universe? Before passing through these galaxies and reaching the edge, we witness the journey of galaxies. Also witness the birth of the first giant stars. What's next? It is the oldest light in the universe. Currently, we are about to reach the end of this journey. What exactly is the edge of the universe? The answer is right before your eyes. Infinite density, extremely small size, extremely high temperature, infinite point in spacetime. This is the edge of the universe. That was also 13.8 billion years ago. What the universe looked like before it was born. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaître first proposed Big Bang theory. This is an influential theory of modern cosmology. When a huge explosion occurred at this time, only then will we have time and space. There is light and universe. And debris escaped from the explosion, created all the celestial bodies in the universe today. The light from the Big Bang still spreads to this day. And by European Aerospace, Planck Space Telescope recorded detailed images of a type of radiation left over from Big Bang. This is the cosmic microwave background CMB. So this is it, the strongest evidence that the Big Bang ever happened in the universe. When we reach the true edge of the universe, I also realized how small the Earth is and the vastness of the universe. To be honest, even if the Earth suddenly disappears at this time, it will not have any impact on the universe itself. So in that case, after all, each of us appears in this vast universe. After all, what is the purpose of existence? Or is the Earth itself a place that imprisons humans?